Hi, Chad here from Purple Collar Life, talking to you about one of the things I use to keep the chain sharp on my chainsaw. This is the Stihl 2-in-1 file guide, and there's different pitches of these for the different chains. This is the one particular for the 16-inch Farm Boss chain with the 0.32 inch, and this is a part number 5605-750-4304, and I'll put that in the description below. But it's pretty self-explanatory. There's arrows showing you which direction you're going to file, and the two different sides due to the two different teeth angles. So the teeth that are facing out, I'm going to use this side for, and you can see the round file and then the flat file. So you put the round file in, and I'll rotate it to a position where I know where we started. I'll look for the green chain mark. This chain doesn't have a green chain mark.
It does.
It does? Oh yeah, right there. So we'll start at the green chain mark and work forward. We're going to do all the teeth that are facing this way. So you put the round file down in the tooth. Like that. And then this, you just keep this parallel with the blade and pull only one direction. And you can do it 3 or 4 times in one direction. This chain's not very dull, so we're just going to do it once on each tooth. But as you do that, you can see the metal shavings. It's sharpening the tooth and the guide so that you get the correct depth. So we'll do all the teeth facing this way. And then we'll rotate it. Until we get back to that green mark. And like I said, I'm only doing this once, but you'd want to do it 3 to 5 times if the chain were dull. And we're back to the green one. So now we're going to switch directions, flip this over, and we're back to the green mark. So that's how simple it is. It doesn't take very many minutes at all. You don't have to take the chain off, and it'll work just like a new chain now. It'll be much faster cutting through the wood. And I always tell when my chain's starting to get dull, because instead of the nice chunks or chips of wood, it starts to get more dusty, and the chain obviously slows down as it's cutting. If you like videos like this, please click that subscribe button, comment below, and like.